Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and take advantage of the fast and free shipping. There we go. This will be a two-parter. Here is the first item we have here, coming from Andobil. Easy clip car mount. Easy to operate. 360 free adjustment. Stable clamping. Get your iPhone ready, or your Android. That's what I'm recording on. So, we'll see what this is all about. And like I said, if you like this item, click the link, add it to your cart, check out fast, and they'll ship this to you fast. But if you got some time, click the link and look at what other items they have to offer besides this one. Here's the cradle. Ooh, nice and shiny. Nice gunmetal. Here's the back. We're gonna have to do this anyway, so might as well do it now. That goes where the clamps go. You can adjust. Depends on what phone you have. That was easy. Kind of like the back. There we go. And then we'll hop into the car and show you how to display it. This would be perfect for all you Uber drivers, truck drivers, any kind of driver out there, DoorDash and all that good stuff. Since we are coming back now. Okay. Now, lock it in. Wherever you want it. There's the sticky stuff right there. Ooh-wee. You can lock it in there. Oh, that's for the suction cup. Okay. So now, grab your trusty. Oh, you got some. Come on. There we go. We got these. Whoa. It went flying. That's a little bit. That side. We got these for your vent. If you want to use your vent, you could. All you gotta do is have some fun and rock on. It goes in this way. Lock it in. Keep it like that. Get your phone. Oh, come on. Oh yeah, I forgot to push the buttons. There we go. And then all the way down. Clamp it in. Oops. Look at that. And all you gotta do is put it on your car vent. I think there's other stuff here too. Oh, sweet. They're sending you another one. And another one. Magnetic. Looks like a magnet. In case this one wears off. So you can lock it in. There we go. We're gonna hop into the car. Pretty much these are pretty much easy to use. Just lock it in with the teeth. And you can do it this way. See, full 360. Sideways. You can have it locked in like that. See the teeth opening up? All you gotta do is close it. Like so. Open the teeth. Close the teeth. It has a great hold on your phone. It ain't gonna, in case you got a lot of potholes like we do in Michigan. Definitely your phone ain't gonna be flying at you. Definitely pay attention to the road. But also check on your GPS. You can use that as navigation. I needed that. So definitely a handy device to get for your smartphones. I think this is how it goes. Okay. There we go. So you can have it this way. And then we'll hop in the car right about now. Alright guys, this is where I have it for the video purposes only, but you can have it wherever you want, mounted on your vehicle. Just remember, make sure it's mounted safe where you can see the road. I mean, for me this will be fine. Unless you sit like this, and maybe a little difficult. Depends how you sit in your car, but for me, it'll be alright. I mean, and you can always adjust it up like that. Great for Father's Day gifts also. This would be a nice little gift to give him. There we go. But really stable, and they ain't gonna fall anywhere, guys. This is definitely a good one to get. So check them out for all your smartphone accessories for your iPhone and up. So check them out. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night.